Weathering the Crisis, a guide to resilience. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, weather the crisis. This expression is packed with meaning and imagery, and understanding it can really help you grasp how English speakers talk about overcoming difficulties. So, let's explore what it means to weather a crisis, how it's used, and some examples to help you use it confidently in your conversations. Weather the crisis is an idiomatic expression that means to survive a difficult period or situation without too much harm. The word, weather, in this context is a verb that means to come through a tough situation safely. It's often used to talk about enduring storms or bad weather, which is a great metaphor for dealing with life's challenges. The choice of the word, weather, is particularly significant. It implies not just survival, but the ability to withstand and emerge from a crisis resiliently. Just as buildings are constructed to weather storms, individuals and organizations can prepare and strengthen themselves to survive crises. To help you understand how to use weather the crisis in conversation or writing, let's look at some examples. Despite the economic downturn, our company managed to weather the crisis. Many people are finding creative ways to weather the crisis brought on by the global pandemic. The community banded together to weather the crisis, supporting each other through hard times. Notice how the phrase can be applied to various situations, from personal challenges to larger societal issues. It's also useful to know similar expressions that convey the idea of overcoming difficulties. Phrases like, survive the storm, come through unscathed, and ride out the storm share similar meanings but can vary slightly in nuance or context. These alternatives can help you express the concept of resilience in different ways. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of weather the crisis for you. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. If you've ever had to weather a crisis yourself, or know any other expressions that share this sentiment, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay strong through any storm you may face.